Today we're gonna make a paper dragon. You will need tape, scissors, 4 sheets of paper, colored pencils, and a pencil. You will want to trace out 4 semicircles the side of your hand, but make them slightly bigger so when you cut it out it's the perfect size. After you have cut out your semicircles, you will want to make something that looks like this. And you will want to make 2 of these for the 4 semicircles. After you have these 3 items, you will want to bend this to match almost perfectly with this. After you tape this to the folded rectangle, you want to get the top part and you want to fold it here. After you've made 1 of these, repeat the process again. After you have 2 of these, you want to put these aside and you want to make something that looks like this. After, it should look something like this. The rectangle you had should be taped on the top of this and the bottom of this. And finally, it should look something like this. You can now decorate it and continue the process and add colors. In the end, this should be your result. The eyes should be on the sides, but we did mess up a little bit. So basically, it's a dragon puppet and you decorate it to make it look like a dragon puppet.